Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain Class 6 Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Prime Factorization, Methods of Prime Factorization and Exercise 3.3. Now let us see them. See now factorization. The process of finding the factors is called as factorization. Now let us see prime factorization. In a factorization where all the factors are prime numbers, it is known as prime factorization. In prime factorization, the factors obtained cannot be further factorized. Methods of prime factorization. Division method. First method is division method. See the example 42. How to find this? Let us see. 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now 3 table. 3 7s are 21. Again 7 table 7 1 times. Therefore prime factorization for 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. See second method, factory method. See the example 60. How can we write 60 as factors? 4 15s are 60. Again we need to find factors for them. 2 2s are 4. Now write in factors for 15. 3 5s are 15. Prime factorization for 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. See now page number 36. Do this. Write the prime factors of 28 and 36 through division method. So let us take list number 2. 2 table 28 14 times. Again 2 table 14 7 times. Now 7 table 7 1 time. So write down here prime factorization of 28 is 2 into 7. Now see next one 36. 3 table 3 12s are 36. 3 4s are 12. 2 table 2 2s are 4. 2 table 2 1s are 2. So write down prime factorization of 36 equals to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. See now second question. Write the prime factors of 42 by factor tree method. Write down 42. Now we have to write factors for 42. 2 table 2 21s are 42. Now write down factors for 21. 3 7s are 21. Now these three values cannot be further divided into factors. Therefore prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. See now exercise 3.3. First sum. Write the missing numbers in the factor tree for 90. 90 can be written as 10 9s are 90. Now 10 factors. 2 5s are 10. Next 9 factors. 3 3s are 9. Now see the second sum. 90 can be written as 33s are 90. 30 can be divided into 10 3s are 30. Again 10 factors can be written as 2 5s are 10. See now second question. Factorize 84 by division method. Write down 84. So 2 table, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now take 3 table, 3 7s are 21. Now take 7 table, 7 1s are 7. Write down prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. See now third sum. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. See the solution. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Now we need to find its prime factors. So write down 9999. It can be divided by 3. 3 table. It is 3333 times. Now again 3 table. 1111 times. Now take 11 table. 11 table 1111 is 101 times. Therefore, prime factorization for 9999 is 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. See now fourth sum. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? Solution. The smallest number having 4 different prime factors is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That is 210. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 37s are 210. So by this we have completed today exercise 3.3. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.